In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock YouTube on your TV to restrict access to certain content, especially if you want to prevent kids or unauthorized users from watching inappropriate videos. While YouTube itself doesn't have a built-in lock feature for TVs, there are ways to manage and restrict content depending on your setup. If you're using the YouTube app on a smart TV or streaming device, you can enable restricted mode to filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content. To do this, open the YouTube app on your TV and log in to your account. Scroll to the bottom of the home screen, go to Settings, and toggle on Restricted Mode. This setting applies to your account across all devices where you're logged in. For an added layer of control, consider using a separate Google account with restricted settings for your TV. You can also use your TV's parental controls to block or password protect the YouTube app entirely. For example, many smart TVs allow you to set up a PIN code to restrict access to specific apps. Check your TV's settings menu for options like parental controls or app lock. If you're casting YouTube from a phone or computer, you can lock the screen by disconnecting the cast connection or logging out of your account after playing a video. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to lock YouTube on your TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.